Sometimes you need to tear down in order to build a better version of something. This is what the transactional leader profile is all about. Like a warrior, this profile will take any fight to the bitter end. Combative and determined, he or she will possess a swashbuckling charisma that is as irresistible as it is overwhelming. Hello there, my name is Pauline Cheng and I am your Bazi coach, and in this video, we're going to talk about how you can be indispensable to a transactional leader. Now, how do you recognize a transactional boss? This profile can be very impulsive, acting out the inner need always to be in motion, because they're always probing for even the tiniest crack of an advantage, always looking to push the envelope. At an unhealthy level, transactional profiles can become unnecessarily suspicious, attributing even the weirdest motivations to every single person. Now, I personally noticed that people with strong 7 killings in their charts, but who has not had the benefits of a good education, tend to become gullible in the face of conspiracy theories. So at work, the transactional profile will tend to jump straight into the action. No need for a second invitation, right? No need to beat around the bush, and he expects everyone to do the same. He will be known as a problem solver within your organization. It's not only great at identifying the source of potential problems, he's also quick to fix them. So the leadership style of a transactional boss is very straightforward. The name says it all. Transactional. You do this for me, I do this for you. Okay? So under pressure, the transactional profile will have a tendency to become rebellious and disorganized, because taking action fuels his sense of control. He may even disregard the all-important planning and strategizing in favor of action, action, action. So everything becomes a competition during times of great stress. The transactional profile could become extra pushy and overbearing as he recklessly charges ahead, resolutely fighting against the flow, all in the name of outdoing his perceived competitors. So how do we deal with this type of boss? How do we become indispensable for a transactional boss? Number one, systematize. All right? Trailing in the wake of a transactional profile can feel like you're following in the path of a tornado. You will be extremely valuable to your transactional boss if you have the ability to enhance his outcome by creating systems and best practices to rebuild something stronger, more efficient, effective, productive, and resilient. Number two, summarize for key decisions. Summarize, right? The transactional profile by itself has no taste for details. He will be elusive if you descend upon his office bearing reams upon reams of fine print and data. When in need for his decision making, it will be more effective if you could summarize all that data into key points. Now, this profile also values certain personal characteristics. The one thing that the transactional boss will value the most is loyalty. So when you meet with a transactional boss, expect to find him testing your loyalty, right? It's something that they just do normally, okay? So next, let's move on. You need a way to confirm that your boss is actually a transactional leader. Can we have the next slide, please? All right, with Bazi you can. All right, you plot, one back, please. Thank you. Yep, that's the one. Right, you want a way to confirm that you're working for a transactional leader with Bazi? Of course, you can. This is a Bazi channel after all. So plot your boss's chart by using this link. Okay, you need this because of the shortcut, right? Once you've plotted the chart, right, can we go to the next slide? Right, so once you've plotted the chart, scroll all the way down, right down to the bottom. If you see 7 killings or 7K at the top, yep, you've got a transactional boss. Congratulations. All right, next. I need to insert a disclaimer right now. Okay, the terminology 7 killing in this free sharing is copyrighted material belonging to Datuk Joe Yap and the JY Mastery Academy. Want to find out more about what they do? Well, joeyap.com. So, finally, The transactional leader profile is frequently found among athletes and corporate raider types. Think George Soros, the man who broke the Bank of England, right? The most aggressive of the 10 profiles. Oh, this one is often referred to as the warrior profile by Bazi practitioners, and for good reason. So with that, we come to the end of this video sharing. Short, succinct, simple, just the way a 7 Killings would like it. Until next time, don't forget, please like and subscribe. Thank you.